up, guys? Mike here, coming to you from Vero Beach, Florida. Coming over the big bridge over here, the Route 60 bridge. Looking at some pretty nasty, windy, rainy conditions. This is from Tropical Storm Eta, which is supposed to hit the Keys maybe late tonight, early tomorrow. But we're getting some of the effects from it here, so we're gonna go check out the beach, check out some of the big waves coming in, and just see what's going on beachside. And as we're pulling up to the beach, you can see the flag is just whipping everywhere. We're looking at 20, 30 mile an hour, maybe some 40 mile an hour gusts. You can see all the palm trees whipping around. You better watch out for those coconuts, people, because they're gonna be dropping. All right, you're gonna have to excuse the wind here. Look at all the debris on the ground. Break from the wind here. We're hanging out here at the world famous Ocean Grill restaurant here in Vero Beach, which is closed right now. But let's check out these waves. It's crazy. Here is Costa de Este Hotel, owned by Gloria Estefan. And look at this here. Look at all this wind here. It's so crazy. This storm has basically turned Vero Beach into a ghost town this weekend, which is unfortunate because this is early November and season's just coming around the corner here. So pretty weird. Crazy that this storm is in Cuba right now and it's sending us some heavy winds and big seas. Look at that wave right there. Wow, it's just crazy. Up to the Driftwood is pretty much gone right now. There's no beach. The erosion here when this is all said and done is going to be incredible. Absolutely incredible. Maybe we can find a secret walkway over here. Oh wait, this is like the back area, back staging area here. Cool. Incredible, this weather. Got the driftwood in here. We got Costa de Este. And these winds are just whipping. They got to be up to 40, 50 miles an hour. And the storm's a good, like 200-300 miles away from us. Pretty gnarly. Boy, 2020 has been some year. My gosh. So now we're gonna go check out the Driftwood Resort here, see how things are looking here during this tropical depression we got going on here. Really cool hotel. Now the Driftwood is a lot different from Costa de Este, where you can see all these little bungalows they have here. Yeah, there's a little statue of Ponce de Leon over here. Just a really cool, funky, weird resort here. That features Waldo's restaurant and bar. Everything is shut down here at the Driftwood. Except for the bar. Take it inside. Patio's closed down. Coming to this resort is like walking back 100 years in time in Florida. Pretty special here. And look at this. Look at that bomber. Oh my gosh. Woo. Today, we got double red flags. As you can see in the distance at the lifeguard station. No swimming today, everybody. Here's a remnant of the Breckenshire wreck right off of Vero Beach. It's the old whistle from the ship. 1894. By the most famous guy in all of Vero Beach. Ship's wheel here. And look at these pretty awesome cannons here that decorate all the old driftwood here. The nautical tiles. And this right here is Waldo's world famous table here.